Welcome to Wedding State University. We've developed this program for all of our brides over the past 27 years to help your wedding planning process be stress-free, avoid all the normal pitfalls that brides and grooms fall into that cause so much wedding stress. And we want to help you avoid that. I've been spending the last 27 years planning weddings, and I have seen the same problems arise over and over and over, and because of that I want to help you avoid those situations. With all of my normal clients, we go through the same type of process that I'm going to go through with you, so I want you to consider me your personal wedding planner. You're going to be doing a lot of the steps, but I'm going to be with you through the whole process. You're not going to be alone in it. And one thing that I want to caution you is I want you to make sure that you follow this process exactly the way that we've laid it out. It is very different, I want you to know, than the way everyone else does their wedding planning. But remember, everyone has this saying that something goes wrong in every wedding. Well, if something goes wrong in every wedding, there's obviously a reason why. People are not planning the wedding the way that they should. And it is going to be a little bit of a struggle sometimes through the process, because sometimes your anxiety level is going to come up because you're going to feel like, oh, I need to do it this way because that's the way everyone else does it. But remember, everyone else does it wrong. You're not going to do it that way. You're going to plan your wedding perfect from start to finish. You need to just make sure that you follow the steps in the process the way that we've laid them out. The way that a normal bride does her wedding planning process is she gets engaged, she chooses a date, she chooses her venue, then she starts to look at other venues, then she realizes she might be going over budget and she may not even know what her budget is, so she starts to throw together her budget, and then she realizes she's got all of these problems and she doesn't know how to fix them. And I don't want you to fall into the same pitfalls. So please, don't choose a venue. Don't choose your date. Don't ask people to be part of your bridal party. Don't talk to your family and friends about their suggestions. We will be doing all of that through the process at the appropriate time when it's appropriate for you. And we're going to do it in ways that are going to be healthy for you and your fiance and for your family and your friends and all of your relationships. And we are going to deliver you the perfect wedding. I can't wait to get started.